Welcome to Ireland. Located in northwest Europe west of Great Britain, the country is known for its green valleys, dramatic coastlines, and magical landscapes. This place, where nature and people come together, is like a fairy tale world. History is part of the spirit of Ireland. Ancient castles, mystical megaliths, and medieval cities bear traces of the past. In these places, Ireland's rich cultural heritage comes alive. Ireland is covered with a mystical beauty. Nature expresses itself freely here and takes you on a magical journey. So let's begin our adventure. Number 10. The Burren. Prepare to be transported to a landscape like no other, the Burren. It is a region of glacial karst landscape located in County Clare, Ireland. The region covers an area of about 500 square kilometers. This limestone plateau strikes a delicate balance between desolation and beauty. In spring, a remarkable transformation occurs as vibrant wildflowers bloom against the stark background, creating a mesmerizing carpet of color. Exploring the Burren feels like stepping onto another planet, where ancient rock formations hold the secrets of time. Number 9. Connemara National Park. Situated on 2,000 hectares on the west coast of Galway County. Northwest of Connemara, the national park includes mountain, marsh, heath, grassland, and woodland. Venture into the untamed wilderness of Connemara National Park, where rugged mountains, shimmering lakes, and untouched landscapes create a playground for nature enthusiasts and adventurers alike. Hike along trails that wind through heath-covered hills. Listen to the calls of native wildlife and breathe in the crisp mountain air. Connemara National Park is a sanctuary for those seeking an authentic connection with Ireland's untamed side. Number 8. Dingle Peninsula. Our journey now takes us to the captivating Dingle Peninsula, where the rugged beauty of Ireland's coastline takes center stage. The Dingle Peninsula is the northernmost of the major peninsulas in County Kerry. Quaint fishing villages, rolling green hills, and ancient ruins create a landscape that's both timeless and utterly charming. Whether you're navigating the winding roads that offer breathtaking vistas or exploring the lively town of Dingle itself, you'll find the spirit of Ireland alive in every nook and cranny. Number 7. Wicklow. Welcome to Wicklow, a natural wonder of Ireland. This region offers an experience that will enchant you with its mystical mountains, idyllic valleys, and natural beauties. Wicklow is also called the Garden of Ireland. With its green valleys, clear lakes, and impressive rivers, this area is like a graceful dance of nature. This is a paradise for nature lovers and tranquility seekers. Wicklow is famous not only for its mountains, but also for its beautiful beaches. Here you can enjoy the sea and sand, and feel the peace embraced by nature. Number 6. Galway. Galway, located on the west coast of Ireland, is a quieter student city than Dublin. As a historical city, it is a quiet, peaceful, and ancient city-like region. It is a fascinating city with its bay, natural beauties, and historical structure. Small and friendly, this city offers tourists a taste of all Ireland's well-known flavors. Festivals take place throughout the year and add to the bohemian atmosphere of the area. Galway is a city that combines history and modernity, art and energy. The spirit and colorfulness that lives here will fascinate you. I hope this video made you want to visit Galway. Number 5. Giant's Causeway. Our adventure now takes us to the enigmatic Giant's Causeway, a geological marvel that defies explanation. These striking hexagonal basalt columns seem as if they were carved by giants themselves. This natural wonder sparks the imagination and offers a glimpse into the Earth's ancient past. The basalt columns in this area, which was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1986, are the work of a volcanic activity 50 to 60 million years ago. The largest of these columnar structures, numbering 40,000, has a height of 12 meters. Number 4. Killarney National Park. Located in the southwest of Ireland, near the westernmost point of the island, Killarney National Park is the first national park in Ireland. The Killarney Lakes encompass more than 100 square kilometers of diverse ecology, including internationally important oak Andy woodlands and mountain peaks. It has the only red deer herd in mainland Ireland and the largest remaining native forest cover in Ireland. The park was designated a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve in 1981. Here, nature comes alive with emerald landscapes, pristine lakes, and ancient woodlands. This paradise invites you to step into a peaceful world and reconnect with the beauty of the natural world. Number 3. Ring of Kerry. Prepare to embark on an enchanting journey on the legendary 179-kilometer Ring of Kerry route through Ireland's most enchanting landscapes. The Ring of Kerry is known as a famous tourist route and scenic route in the southwest of Ireland. This road winds through beautiful towns and paints a timeless and captivating portrait of rural Ireland with its lush valleys, lakes, rolling hills, and seascapes. As you cross the Ring of Kerry, you will be greeted by friendly locals and enjoy nature. A journey that awakens the senses and offers a glimpse into the heart and soul of Ireland. Number 2. Cliffs of Moher. Welcome to the iconic Cliffs of Moher, where the rugged Irish coastline collides with the boundless Atlantic. Standing tall at a staggering 700 feet, these majestic cliffs are a testament to nature's raw power and artistic prowess. Gaze out over the endless horizon, and let the salty breeze envelop you as the sun casts a golden hue upon the cliffs. You'll witness a spectacle that's both humbling and awe-inspiring. Carved by the relentless embrace of the ocean, the Cliffs of Moher embody the view of the world and remind us of the untamed beauty that exists beyond the confines of our daily lives. Number 1. Dublin. Welcome to Dublin, located at the mouth of the River Liffey. The city has been the capital of Ireland since the Middle Ages, with over 4 million visitors a year. It is the most visited capital city in Europe after Paris and London. Dublin is a city that combines the past with the future. It is a place that will embrace you with its historical texture, modern life as well as warm-blooded people. Famous universities and historical sites such as Trinity College reflect the rich cultural heritage of the city. The symbol of the city. Dublin Castle is a treasure trove of historical narratives and urban legends, and of course, Temple Bar, Dublin's colorful cultural hub and hub of vibrant nightlife. And here we are. It's time to say goodbye to Ireland. Our time on this magical island has been full of memories, green valleys, mystical castles, and friendly people. We witnessed the nature, history, and culture of this beautiful country. We walked by the sea, followed the traces of history. Ireland is not just a country. It has a special place in our hearts. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.